YouTubers, today we're here at this park that I named Wind Park because it has been slightly windy today and also it is sort of windy right now. So basically what we're going to be doing is driving this car from this moving thing all around the park and we'll see how that goes. So let's get started with that. Oh, by the way, this is my hen. I think I originally named it, or him,
Goldie.
Goldie, yeah. I'll think. I wasn't necessarily remember. I got this thing like 30 years ago. Well, anyways, as we start off, the monster truck is officially driving around. Actually, you might already know this monster truck, but it's a bit different than the original ones. You know, the ones that you saw in Monster Trucks in the Rain.
Monster Trucks in the Rain, that's a great video we have.
Yeah.
If you haven't watched that, go check it out.
I mean, it was sort of drizzling. But it always seems to get stuck in. Well, I'm not going to be talking to you. Just watch this thing go by.
This is that trampoline over there. We should go play it.
Oh yes, actually yes, that is a good idea. We should go play there. Oh, they did just hit a reef. Right underneath. By the way, I'm rocking right now. Well, so YouTubers, this is actually going good. Oh, did you see that? I'll be quiet now.
Ouch. You should have totally kept going up that dirt hill.
Actually, that's what we're gonna do next. Let's hope this works.
No, but that looks cool. Keep doing that.
Here I can drive it back down. And I'll go back to my place. I'm stuck on the twig.
Move. No, it's not you at all. It's the terrain.
Well, anyways, we're just gonna finish this up before a jump cut.
Nice
so
jump.
We're going to do a jump cut now. Oh, I see. I have to hit that.
It's because you're standing on it, so it's lower. That makes it harder on it. There you go, sideways. That was smart. Oh!
You got it on video too.
I did.
But can you come in here?
Yeah, come on, Hen. Let's go help. Okay, bye.
Have to jump where the leaves are. Do I have to jump at the same time or opposite time?
Same.
Are you sure?
Ooh.
Well, let's hope the wind picks up and put those leaves back. Anyways, let's go down.
Okay, I'm right behind you, son. Nice. Right over the ramp.
Exactly. That was actually hard because I wasn't in eye contact with it.
Oh, nice. Right through the leaves and into the bushes.
Oh, good. Yes.
Nice. Here it comes. Ooh. It's stuck on a twig. Oh, you gotta get a better angle. Back up. Now you're done for. Yeah. And he goes right there. And now he's gonna try to get the hen. Try to get the hen. Try to get the hen. Nailed it. Oh. Just missed it.
Okay, so this will bring us to the end as my hen goes flying over my shoulder. So that was pretty fun. We played on the trampoline. We played knock the hen over. You know, that used to be with my hamster. So, and we also played when I was walking. Now the final part is crossing the road. This is the same way we got here. So there's no cars there and no cars there. But let's actually. This is the exact same thing that happened to us on the way here. And me dropping the hen is exactly what I hoped not to happen. Well, with us all funned up, time to say bye. So, actually, I hope you enjoyed our previous video at Radiator Springs Racers. The wait time was only 45 minutes. It was very nice. Well, anyways, back to where I was. So, bye all YouTubers. See you in the next video that I have to make ahead of me.